So from this screen we know that okay, now this is when we are going to set up game screen. Okay, from so far we know when we are here if we are playing this as a computer or a person. Okay, now let's open up our guide. So when we open here, we choose the time here. Now we are coming to this screen. Okay, so again we need to save. We are already getting the time from this screen when we click here, this time which is displayed to the next screen. Okay, you can see which is the what we did here. Let me minimize this. What we did here, we are navigating to the game setup screen with a label and a game time. So now in our application we need to create this screen to show to let the user select the player color and see their time, and also if they can change also. Can they? So yeah, when they click on the custom, they can change the time. We also need to put that in our side here because we didn't differentiate here. We are just sending everything, so we need to do that as well. So let's go ahead and create the screen. Let's go back to our application. We want to create this screen. So first, before we go here, before we navigate here, let's also check if we have clicked on this custom or we have clicked on any of these. So to check that, all we need to do is just to check the label. So where are we clicking here? Okay, let's go back. So here on top here, let's just check here what's the label here. So if the label is equal to custom, which is this, because every time we click here we are checking the label. So if the label is equals to custom, we are going to say that it's a custom label. Okay, if not, we are going to say that it's not. So what we are going to do here is let's put this in the else and then cut this, put it here, and then also put it here. So we are going to send some data here. If the label is custom, we are going to say that we have custom data. So let's go down here and then let's say is custom time. Let's put this as true, and then also here let's now put the game time. Let's pass the game time to the next screen. So this is going to be the game time. Okay, so let's copy these two, then come down here and then paste it as well. But now you can see we have these errors because inside here we are not passing this data. So we need to pass this data here. So if we go back here, you can just click on in front here and then click on this light bulb and then just add parameter, and then also this one you can add parameter. Let's see, let's go back. Okay, so these two are added, and then what we need to do here, you need to come down here and then get past this data. So let's go back where we have an error. We are getting these errors because we did not remove this constant keyword. So let's remove this constant, and then let's go to the game startup screen, and then so let's create this. You have to say final bool is custom time. Let's copy this, paste it here, and then also do the other one. Final bool this should be a string. Let's copy this game time, and then this we need to say required this dot. It should be like this, required this dot custom time, and then here also let's say this dot custom time. So now we are passing the custom time and the game time. We are passing this boolean here which check where is that. When we click here, is that where is that? When we click here on these, it's where is that screen? Choose game time. So it's this screen here. So here, when you click, if the label is custom time, we are going to set it to true. Let's change this to false. Else we are going to set it to false. So now we know if we are sending custom time or not. Okay, we have spent most of the time here. Let's continue now in our the game startup screen, which is this one where we are passing this data. Now let's create this screen.